Do you have the hiccups? I heard that. Do you have the hiccups? Yeah. Gregory, are you gonna hiccup? You little giggle monster.
Hiccup.
I heard that. You hiccup. I heard that. That was a big hiccup. You're so funny with your hiccups. Did I hear it? It's September 22nd, 2010. And Greg has the hiccups at the dinner table. Show us a big hiccup. All right, buddy.
I hiccup again.
You hiccuped again?
I hiccup again, please.
Oh, you want to hiccup again, please?
There's more hiccups.
More hiccups? Can you say, excuse me, I hiccuped?
Hiccups.
Yeah. I love you. I love you. Can you say I love you? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, camera. All right. See you later, alligator.
See you. Alligator.
You can't even get through it because of the hiccup. Bye-bye, hiccup man.
Hiccup man.
Yeah.